This chapter explains how to install the titrator. Unpack the titrator and place it on the laboratory bench top. The titrator should be kept away from sunlight, extreme temperatures, magnets, vibration, corrosive gas, and water vapor. Let's assemble the electrode holder and shaft. Remove the screw at the bottom of the shaft. Put the unit left side down and insert the shaft into the base. Fasten the shaft locking screw. Gripping the lever will free the electrode holder, allowing it to move up and down. The stopper limits the lowest position of the electrode holder. Adjust the lowest position so that the electrode tip is not hit by the stirrer bar. Let's connect the power cord. COM 300A is powered by a universal power supply, and it can instantly be connected to any line voltage. The power switch is located on the back panel of the titrator. Turn it to the off position. Plug the power cord into the AC in socket. Plug the other end into an AC outlet. When using a 2-pin outlet, attach the supplied plug adapter to the power cord. Connect the adapter's ground lead to the supplied green ground wire and ground securely. Never connect the ground wire to any plumbing where a flammable or explosive material is flowing. Let's connect the electrodes. Take the glass electrode out of the box. Remove the rubber protection cap of the glass electrode GE101B. Be careful not to damage the tip of glass electrode while removing the protection cap. The tip of glass electrode is very thin and fragile. Mount the electrode onto the electrode holder. Insert the electrode plug into IE jack on the right side panel of the titrator, matching the locking pin of IE jack and the locking groove of the electrode plug. Turn the locking knob of the electrode plug clockwise to lock it. Take the reference electrode out of the box. When crystal of the inner solution is observed, wash it off with deionized water. Remove the rubber protection cap of reference electrode RE201. Slide the sleeve downward and tighten it lightly. Mount the electrode onto the electrode holder. Insert the electrode plug of the reference electrode into RE jack on the right side panel of the titrator and fix it with locking screw. Let's assemble the burette tip. Take the burette tip out of the case. Remove the push screw from the burette tip and take out the ferrule set that are inside the burette tip. Locate the end of the Teflon tubing from the out port of the switching valve. Insert the push screw first, then the smaller ferrule, and finally the larger ferrule. Insert the end of the Teflon tubing into the burette tip. Fasten the push screw to fix it to the burette tip. There should be no dead space between the Teflon tubing end and the port bottom. Insert the burette tip into one of the 3 small holes of the electrode holder. Let's fill the burette with the reagent. Open the reagent bottle and attach the supplied reagent bottle lid. Insert the Teflon tubing from the in port of the switching valve into the reagent bottle lid. Fasten the push screw. Place a waste container on the magnetic stirrer. Turn the power on. Press the condition key. Press 0. Press the enter key. Press the purge key. Specify the repeat times for the purge action using numeric keys. Press the enter key to start. The purge action will start and repeatedly discharges reagent through the burette tip and aspirates reagent from the reagent bottle. This action is repeated for the number of times entered. The default setting is 3. To stop the purge operation at any time, press the purge key again. After the burette is filled with the reagent, an air bubble may remain in the bubble collector of the burette tip. This air bubble should be pushed out. Take the burette tip out of the electrode holder. Attach the supplied rubber tube to the bottom end of the burette tip. Insert the tube end into a waste container. Incline the burette tip slightly upward. Press the purge key. Press the enter key to start. After the bubble is pushed out, press the purge key again. Insert the burette tip back to the electrode holder.